Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Dave once again, and this time I will show you my output sa ginawa kong transcription. So, ito yung audio. These are the parts where you can see the segmentations and the labels. As you can see, may label na sila. So, yung technique ko, para napadali yung work ko, ginawa ko, nakinig ako sa buong audio. And ginawan ko siya ng segmentations. When I did the segmentations and all done, after the audio, yung ginawa ko is I go on a particular segmentation, just for example, the third one, and then you play it.
Only the Lionesses of England.
That's the time na itatype mo yung sasabihin ng speaker. And since it was an unknown speaker, you put there football announcer or what's the most relevant title na pwede mong ilagay doon basing on the scenario doon sa audio. So from there, play natin ulit.
Stand between Jane Ludlow's team and a place in the World Cup in France next year. Who would have thought that?
So proper observation of punctuations, capitalizations, and yung proper grammar, proper dealing with grammar and sentence structures. So for this, say for example, hindi ka masyadong certain for the word lionesses. So what you will do is to open the audio file in VLC player, because VLC player will give us the option to play the audio on a slower speed. So you will that way you're able to make sure that the word you transcribed is the exact word that's being said on the audio file. So you have this VLC player as a backup that will help you understand what the speaker is saying, especially for those speakers that has accents. Alright, so from there, inisa-isa ko siya. These are supposedly empty segments. So, para hindi ako masyadong naguguluhan, per segment ako nagta-type. Per segment ko pinapakinggan, per segment. So, you work on each segments. That's the technique. Alright, so I think yun lang and good luck.